Do this and in 5 minutes you will have white teeth. Teeth are one of the first things people notice when they see us. Having yellowish teeth are not attractive and give the impression of poor personal hygiene. By wanting to whiten our teeth professionally, we would spend too much money, and not only that, these processes and products that apply to us are only chemicals that mistreat our teeth enamel and sensitivity. Having an impeccable denture is very important in our current culture and society. In this article you will see how to whiten your teeth at home naturally and some foods that you should avoid not to cause stains on them. How to whiten your teeth at home naturally. 1. The strawberry method. Take 4 to 5 strawberries and mash until a paste forms. Apply the strawberry puree with a toothbrush or your fingers over the entire denture. Try to stop for 3-5 minutes and then rinse with water. Finally, brush your teeth in a regular way with off fluoride paste. Some people who use this method see changes immediately, others on several days. Be consistent until you achieve your goal. 2. Method of the orange peel. Take the orange peel and rub the inner part, the white part, over all your teeth. Finish with a regular brushing and rinse, as you do every day. Be sure to do this every time you brush your teeth for a whole week and you will see results. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains whitening properties that will help us have a smudge-free smile. The vinegar can be used by rinsing the whole mouth, or you can rub it to your teeth with a cotton swab. Then brush as you do every day. Try to do it for 10 to 20 days, 1 or 2 times a day. Yes, it takes time, but you will see incredible results. When using these methods, be sure to always rinse your teeth after using citrus, as these can wear away the enamel of your teeth, if you do not rinse after the whitening methods.